Little Sophie bounced into the sunny kitchen, her eyes twinkling with excitement like tiny stars. The scent of vanilla and cinnamon drifted in the air as she raced to Grandma's cozy wooden table. "Grandma, can we bake something yummy today?" she asked, her hands behind her back as if she held a secret. Grandma turned with a twinkle of her own, tying on her colorful patchwork apron. "Of course, Sophie. Let's make blueberry muffins, sweet, soft, and full of fun." Her silver hair glimmered in the light, and Sophie clapped her hands, her heart doing a little jump. "Yay! I love muffins." First things first, it was time for Sophie and Grandma to gather their treasures. They laid out shiny bowls and clinking measuring spoons. Flour puffed softly onto the counter, sugar sparkled in its jar, and Grandma pointed out the tidy yellow eggs, a jug of creamy milk, a golden pat of butter, and a basket of plump, fresh blueberries. "First, we need to measure everything carefully," Grandma said, handing Sophie a tiny measuring cup. Sophie's nose wrinkled as she tried to scoop the exact amount. 1, 2, 3, she counted, not minding a sprinkle of flour on her nose. Measuring was like counting treasure to make muffins taste just right. Soon, Sophie poured flour and sugar into a big, deep bowl. Grandma cracked the eggs with a tap-tap and poured the milk in. Together, they started a little chant, their voices rising and falling like a song. "Mix it, stir it, round and round, blueberry muffins soon abound. Whisk the batter, smooth and sweet, yummy muffins can't be beat." The big wooden spoon went round and round, making a soft swishy noise. Grandma showed Sophie how to gently fold in the blueberries, the shiny purple berries popping up like surprises. Next came the muffin tin, shiny and silver. Grandma handed Sophie a little ice cream scoop. "Let's scoop the batter carefully so each muffin is the same size." Sophie tried her best, but a little blob plopped onto the counter. "Oops," she giggled, her cheeks turning pink. Grandma just laughed and wiped the counter with a tea towel. Muffin making was messy, and that was half the fun. Into the warm oven went each tin, the doughy batter slowly turning golden. "Now we wait, Sophie," Grandma said, setting the timer. Sophie pressed her nose to the oven door, eyes wide. The waiting was so hard. To pass the time, they sang, baking muffins, watch them grow, warm and fluffy, row by row. The kitchen filled with the sweet scent of baking, and Sophie watched in amazement as the muffins puffed bigger. She practiced her patience, tapping her fingers on the table and pretending to be a statue. Finally, ding! The oven sang its happy song. Grandma pulled out the muffin tin using big, safe oven gloves, and placed the hot, fluffy muffins on the rack. Sophie couldn't wait to taste. She blew gently on a muffin, trying not to burn her lips. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!